offers so many options that foreign investors and golden visa programs, and not only. You were very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So what's your motivation for them that when they lose their hopes and they become demotivated, actually, just very short?
To love what you are going to do.
Right.
And
What?
okay, no. Later. Offers so many options that. And your name, Abdullah?
My name is Abdullah. Yes. Thank you so much. You remember?
Coming from India?
Yeah, I'm from India. Just from New Delhi.
New Delhi?
Yeah. I have an academy actually. We just train the students for study abroad and all. That's why you are representing Greek. And so I have a few quick questions to you so that you can answer my questions, right?
I will try.
You want to have water? Hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, and good morning. Today we have a very special talk session with ma'am. And by the way, ma'am is Mary, ma'am, right? So today we're gonna have a very interesting conversation with Mary, ma'am, right? And she's gonna answer a few interesting questions of us. And first of all, could you please kindly introduce yourself?
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mary Tsingano. I'm coming from Greece, Athens. I'm representing, we are working as company, Synergia SA is the name of the company. We are working for 15 years now with foreign investors and golden visa programs, and not only. And I'm very happy that I am here once again. I have come in India many times.
First of all, I just want to express my gratitude towards you. In this age, you're working quite hard. From Greece to India, you have covered the journey. I'm really fascinated because I am just like your child. And you, first of all, I just want to know that what is your age?
What is my age? You have to suppose.
Let me just observe it, right? And I will just observe. It's 78.
70.
No.
No,
Let me just. No,
It's
not so
too
many.
much.
I'll just tell that. 63.
Almost.
63.
1962 is my year of birth.
Year of birth. So it's like, 63.
Almost.
I'm
Next
gonna be
year.
correct, yes. And next year you're gonna be 63, right?
You were very good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And how I manage, I believe that whatever you like and you do with another, you have other motive. I like this job. I like very much, yes. I like to meet people from different countries, to listen to what they have said. The most people are at the end, at the back, are the same, but each country and each person has its own philosophy, its own values. I like this job very much. And I like India also very much.
Great. That's very nice, ma'am. That's very impressive. And I'm really so happy to just know your spirit that in this age, being 63, 62, you're really very positive, very fascinating, very dedicated, right?
I was always like that. Whatever I have done, I was always like that.
Okay.
I believe that people have to do whatever they love to do.
All right. Great.
And if you don't do like this, don't do at all.
Absolutely. I
It's
understand.
my main idea.
Right.
I started my life as from legal part. My main studies was law university, but I continued to other paths because it was coming like that. Life is coming and you have to be there. If you are not there, there is no meaning. I worked for 30 years in the banking system. It was mostly financial and tax issues. No, of course, legal
Legal
studies
counsel.
always help a lot. But it was something totally different. But I did well, I believe.
Great, great. Achha, I just want to ask a very general question. Like some people in very small age, they are 20, 25, they are 30, they lose their motivation. They lose their focus, they lose their energy, and they start feeling like, oh, everything is gone. So, what's your motivation for them that when they lose their hopes and they become demotivated actually in just very short age? What are your motivation for those people?
I
What
don't
would
know
you
to say.
like to say for those people, like in this 62 or 63, quite energetic, traveling, working? What about those people who just lose their motivation?
I believe that first of all, our life we are shaping our life. It's not. I have heard a lot of persons that are saying life is unfair with me. I didn't have the chances. I didn't. I was not offered. It's not like this. You create your life. You create your path in this life, and you have to be just there, just to love what you are going to do
Right.
and to be open to whatever it happens because it happens for a reason
It happens for a reason.
and you have to be there.
Right. Whenever there is a failure, don't think over it a lot.
Failure. Oh, as all my friends and as everybody who knows me, failure is not in the wording of Mary. I'm not so familiar with failure. I don't like to fail, but if it happens, it is perhaps a chance for something new. It's like the journey. When you, if you don't come back, you won't be able to live again. So failure is the chance to do.
So, your motivation for those people who lose their hopes after getting failures, you want to say that they should not think over it. They should be very positive. Thank you very much. And I understand that, right? And this is really great. And this is really very good. And this is really fantastic. The way you have motivated to our students, you have just given your few interesting and fascinating motivating words. And yeah, you want to say
They
something?
have to find, everyone has to find whatever inspires him. Without inspiration, you don't. Job is not. I'm going to from the one part to the other. All that I say, job is.
That's right.